video this.
All right, you think you'll get it? He's just like a cat.
Okay. For more dominance. Fell again.
Okay.
He likes it too much. He's much more of a cat. He takes it from you. Okay, if I can get this.
There he goes.
I'm triumphant.
He's taking it back to his den to eat. Honey says,
Octopus.
I'll just have the string.
Wow.
Can you pull it? Slowly. Ah, there we go. See if we can get it. There we go.
It's hard because it like
It is.
pushes away. You're not understanding the point of this.
Oh, honey wants some love. Honey wants some love. Love me, Quentin. Love me. Love me. Love me. Don't love the other dog.
Yeah, you like the string too much, Steve.
Hey, do you have a necklace I can get into? Where's that fancy necklace you just got? I could pull on that a little bit. Help! Honey's eating my grandson. Oh, wagging her tail and nibbling his ears. Assume the dog molesting picture. Ah, it's like when you're attacked by a bear. You curl up so you can't get bit. Whoa! Dig harder, honey. Dig harder. You can get him out. You can. Oh, here comes the other one.
Oh crap!
Okay. When you're ready, just stand up and I'll stop. Woo! That's fun, 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 fun. Look, she says, good, while this other one, she's still pulling on your toy.
I can't see.
Okay, honey.